Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to lock your profile picture on Facebook. Friends, as we all use Facebook and it's always better to add additional security to your Facebook profile picture. So first we need to press on our profile picture. Here again press on your profile picture. Here press on turn on profile picture guard. Now by activating profile picture guard, unknown people will not be able to download or share your profile picture on Facebook, and only your Facebook friends will able to tag your profile picture, and this shield icon will be displayed on your profile picture. Now to enable it, press on next. Now here press on save. So friends, like this you can very easily secure your Facebook profile picture. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.